Step 1. Adhomukh Swastikasana. Sit into Ardhasiddhasana and start walking forward. Lengthen your spine and rest your forehead. Feel your glutes, quadriceps and a stretch to your spine and then slowly walk back. You inhale and exhale, walk forward to feel the stretch to your spine, glutes, quadriceps. You rest in and then you slowly start walking back. You repeat this asana 5 to 6 times. Second step, Hindol Asana. Sit to Dandasana and fold your right leg. Interlock your fingers with the support of your elbows. Move the leg like a baby cradle for 5 to 6 times. Feel a stretch and opening in your glutes. After completing the counts, you are ready to repeat the same with the other leg. Third step is Ardhasiddhasana. Fold your right leg, keeping foot near to perineum, and so the same with another leg without letting them overlap each other. Followed with the next step, which is Padmasana. After Ardhasiddhasana, take your right foot on the left thigh and left foot on your right thigh, crossing each other. Rest your palms on thighs facing upwards. That is all. And further moving to the next and final fifth step. Lie down on your back with the legs folded on the floor. Bring your left foot on the right thigh to twist your spine towards the left side. Slowly, and then you slowly inhale to come back center. With the exhalation, you twist your spine again to look on the side. Inhale, come back center. We repeat it at least for 5 to 6 times each side of the leg, leading to the final step, which is Agnistambhasana. Followed with the left leg beneath and right foot on the left thigh, palm facing upwards, and that is all. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.